Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be facing my fears. It is going to be a fun video. I'm going to be going into Tjmaxx and filming to show you guys what I can find in the store. So I've tried to do this video in the past. If you watched my Tjmaxx haul, I showed like a little snippet. But today I am really actually going to face my fears and I'm going to film in public and it's gonna be okay. I'm really nervous about it. I'm super anxious and I don't know why, but that's just how I get. I said that I was gonna bring someone with me, but no one can come with me today. So this is, it's just me. It's just me and it's gonna be okay. I just have to keep telling myself that because if I don't, I'll probably freak out more. It is 8:53 in the morning right now and Tjmaxx doesn't open until 9. I just figured that I would come on here and let you guys know what we're doing. And I'm probably gonna end up going to 2 Tjmaxx's and then there is 1 Marshall's in this town. So I'll probably hit all of those and then show you guys as much as I can. I'll probably go throughout the rest of the store because I always look at everything else in the store anyway, but I'm not sure that I'll film it. If you guys like seeing everything, let me know down below in the comments. But if you only like seeing the makeup, then let me know that as well so that I know for next time. I think I'm just gonna do makeup today and skincare, and then we'll see what else happens. But I think those are the only 2 that I'm doing. So yeah, let's just go into Tjmaxx and see what we can find today. And there is a lady now staring at me, which is really fun. Yay. All right guys, so the first thing you see is this. We have some Pixie here. This is Pixie, the softly smoky crayon, and it is for $4.99. And then we have some e.l.f. stuff as well. We have this e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick in the shade Touch of Nude. This is a really pretty color, and this is $2.99. Alright, so I found the Becca Volcano Goddess palette. This is the only one I could find, and it's going for $16.99. And then I found some of the Anastasia matte lipstick set. These are like minis, and for $14.99, and it comes in these shades. And then I also found the Anastasia Blush Trio for $10.99 in the shade Peachy Love. I already have this one, but these are really amazing. And then I found the Becca Volcano Goddess Metamorphic Gold Glow Gloss for $7.99. And then a bunch of the Too Faced Peach melting powders. So this is a blush in Ginger Peach, and then the bronzer in Toasted Peach, and they're both going for $10.99. They also have like a bunch of brushes, so like some Japanese brushes. This one's the Slanted Powder going for $4.99. They also have this duo, the Must Have Highlighting Duo, $4.99, which is a really good deal. Then they have this one, which I already bought. This is the Stippling Brush for $3.99. And then they have some of the Real Techniques things back here, and I know those are $12.99. I've seen those before. Then I found this. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, and it's on clearance for $20. I'm not going to pick this up because I don't really need it, but I thought that was pretty cool. I did find 2 Drybar products. They're the small ones, but they have the Drybar Detox Whip Dry Shampoo for $4.99, and then the Mini Texas Tea Volumizing Conditioner going for $3.99, which is awesome to see Drybar here. So I found this, which is awesome. This is the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter, which I've seen this before. It didn't have very good reviews, so I didn't pick it up last time, but it is $9.99. I don't know. I kind of want it. And then they do have this as well. This is the First Aid Beauty Kona Eye Stick, which is supposed to hydrate, depuff, and prime. And this is for $7.99. And then over here they have some e.l.f. Beauty Shield Skin Shielding Primer for $4.99. That packaging like hurts my eyes though. They have kind of like all the same stuff that they normally do, like Murad and like fancier brands. They do have some Kate Somerville down here. I'm not sure what this is. This is the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts Wrinkle Warrior Pink Plumping Mask. For $19.99, which that's a pretty expensive brand. Alright guys, so I'm at my second Tjmaxx, and they have so many more of these peach things here. So they have the Toasted Peach, which is the bronzer, and then all of these ones in the blushes, so Peach Berry, Peach Dream, So Peachy, Spice Peach, and Ginger Peach. And then they have this one, which is the highlighter, all for $10.99, which is awesome. Then they have this, which I thought was really cool to see, the Too Faced Glow Job, which I don't like that name, but it's the glitter mask for $19.99, which is awesome. And then they have this, which is the Becca Chrissy Teigen Chrissy Cravings for $12.99, which is crazy to me. I'm not going to pick it up just because I don't think I wear these colors, but that's a really awesome deal if you're looking for it. And then they have this, which I've never seen, the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty in the shade Fair, which is what I am, and it's going for $14.99. They also have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, the Intense Hydration one, for $6.99. And then they have a bunch of e.l.f. products over here, like the Hydrating Water Essence, which is something I actually really like, and this is going for $3.99. They have a few of those. And then they have the Prep and Hydrate Balm, which I also have this as well. It feels really cooling and nice on the skin. Only $2.99. That's awesome. They have some of this First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Triple Remedy Overnight Balm, going for $9.99. And this brand, which is Eve Lom, I've heard a lot about them. This is their eye cream it's going for $29.99. They also have some of this First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Daily Face Cream, going for $9.99. There's not really much more makeup that this Tjmaxx has, but they do have a lot of skincare that I haven't seen, like this Estee Lauder Micro Essence Infusion Mask. And this is going for $39.99. So they have this Becca Jet Set Glow that comes with the backlight priming filter, the first light priming filter, and the under eye brightening corrector, and this is going for $12.99, which is a really good deal. And then they have this MAC and Jeremy Scott CD. This is the like cheek palette. It comes with like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter, and this is going for $14.99, which is awesome. The packaging on this is so cute. And then they have this Too Faced Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer. This is like a mini, and this is going for $3.99. And then they have the Too Faced Candlelight Glow in Rosy Glow. This is also a mini, going for $4.99. And then they have this Stila Perfect Poreless Putty Perfector. I'm not sure what this is, but it's in medium. Y'all, I get so sucked in by Tjmaxx mugs, especially ones that are on clearance. I mean, like, they're already like cheap already, but then like these are just so cute and like $3, and I love this one. It says Amazing Grace. So I'm at Marshall's now, and they have this Too Faced Unicorn Tears highlighter stick in the shade Unicorn Tears, and it's going for $9.99. They also have this e.l.f. Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette in Island Breeze for $4.99. The packaging's kind of like destroyed, but the product inside's fine. And then they have this Pixie Copper Peach palette, and it's going for $3.99, which is like a really good deal, so that's awesome. Okay, so I just came out of Marshall's. They honestly didn't have anything, like nothing different than the Tjmaxx's that I just shown you guys. And all of those Too Faced Peach My Cheeks, all of those have been swatched, so I haven't been able to pick up any of them yet. So I'm still looking. Little side note, the lady that checked me out at Marshall's, because I ended up picking up something and I'll show you guys at the end, but the lady that ended up checking me out, she like harassed me for like a good 5 minutes to get one of those like Tjmaxx cards, which I get. They are like a nice, like it's nice, but I don't want a credit card. And she harassed me for like 5 minutes until one of her coworkers was finally like, she doesn't want one, leave her alone. And I was like, oh my God. I was about to just say yes because I didn't know what else was gonna like stop her from talking to me about it, because I don't want one, and I get that you want me to get one, but I'm not gonna. Anyway, it was crazy, but I'm now at my third Tjmaxx. You can see it here, and I'm gonna go in and see what else we can find, because honestly I haven't found too much today, and I haven't bought a single makeup product. I bought other things, but like, where's the makeup? So let's go. The only other thing I've seen at this Tjmaxx is that they have this big crimping iron from Drybar. It was a limited edition apparently, and they are selling it for $39.99. And then there's this Foxy Bay curling wand, which is going for $39.99. I'm actually really interested in this, but that's kind of expensive, and I don't need a new curling iron. If it was a straightener, I might, but it's really cool. And then this Tjmaxx has the full size of the Candlelight Glow from Too Faced in Rosy Glow for $10.99 instead of, I think, $3.99 or $4.99, I don't remember. Okay, so I'm at the second Marshall's, and this is really cool. They have the Becca Ever Matte Shine Proof Foundation in Porcelain, which would be my shade, and it's going for $12.99. And then they have some of the Becca Volcano Goddess Glow Glosses. This one's in Ruby Fire. I think we found the gold one earlier, but this is going for $7.99. Then they have one of these e.l.f. tinted lip oils, which is going for $2.99. These are really nice. I have a different shade, but these are really nice. Then they have a Buxom Big and Sexy Bold Gel Lipstick. That's going for $4.99 in the shade Racy Reveal. Then they have the e.l.f. palettes, the Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette in Island Breeze, and that one is $4.99. And then they have this one too, which looks really nice. This is in Cool Mist, and this is $4.99 as well. And then I found a Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Sunset Cove, which is really pretty, going for $7.99. Alright guys, so I never have luck at this Marshalls, but I did find this e.l.f. Water Droplet Balm. I've never heard of that. It's a hydrating balm to water moisturizer. It sounds really nice. And then this is the Beauty Shield Vitamin C Pollution Prevention Serum, which I have this, and it's like $15. And here it's going for $4.99, and then the Water Droplet Balm is $3.99, which is awesome. My arms are so full, but I did also find the actual wet brush, the Shine one, which is the version that I like best. And they have this here for $5.99, which is crazy. These are like, I don't know, $15. And then they do have this Kate Somerville product. It's called Tight and Cryogenic. It's a tightening gel, but it is going for $19.99. Okay guys, so that kind of concludes everything. I went to 4 Tjmaxx's and 2 Marshalls. 2 of the Tjmaxx were like complete duds, and I didn't really find a lot of makeup stuff. I will be showing you guys once I get home everything that I did purchase today. Alright guys, so here's everything that I did get from Tjmaxx. I know the lighting's not the best, but I'm by my window hoping it'll work, and there's my sweet little kitty. So I did get a few things. None of it's makeup, which surprised me like a lot. But I did get this nail polish right here, which was a like last minute type thing. They got me at the little checkout, and it is this Sally Hansen Color Therapy with Argan Oil formula, and it's in the shade Therapeuter is what it's called, and it was $2.99, which is incredible. These are like $10 at Walmart. Then I got this Foxy Bay. This is the Flamingo, which is so cute because there's a flamingo on it. Leave-in cream conditioner. I've heard a lot of people talk about this, and they say it smells really good and it's really good for your hair, and they sell this brand at Sephora, I think. But anyway, I got it for $7.99. I think it's so awesome. And I did use it already, and it smells really good. And then next I got the Batiste Dry Shampoo in the Tropical scent. Every time I see this at Tjmaxx in the huge one, I have to buy it just because you never know when they're going to have them again, and I always need this in my life. Also, the Tropical is my favorite, but normally I just get the regular if they don't have it, but I love the Tropical one, so I had to buy that. And then this is kind of like random. I just got these tea tree nose strips just because I needed some more, and it comes with 10 treatments, and it's way cheaper than buying the ones from Biore. So these were only $3.99 for 10, which I think is great. I mean, they don't work as well as the Biore ones, but they still do work, so there's that. And then I did get this Foxy Bay Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray. Honestly, I kind of bought these because of the packaging, but I have heard really good things about these. I don't need a heat protectant spray because I already have like 2, but I did buy this anyway, and this was also $7.99, so both of these were $7.99. And then I did show you guys that curler, which was there, which I kind of wanted, but I didn't need, so I didn't buy that. Then I got this cute little mug I showed you guys in store, and it says Amazing Grace, and this was on clearance for $3, which I just thought it was so cute. I love the little mugs that like go out like this, and then it's such a pretty blue color. You can't really see, but it's such a pretty blue color. Okay. And then lastly, I found the wet brush. This is the Shine version, which is what I really love. I have one of these already, but it's like 6 years old, I feel like, so I needed to get a new one, and this was only $5.99 at Marshalls. And then I found this, which was the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Vitamin C Pollution Prevention Serum, which is like $16 at the drugstore, and it was $4.99 at Marshalls, so I obviously had to pick that up. And then this I got at Walmart, but I decided to show you guys anyway. This is the Aussie Headstrong Volume Hairspray. So I've never used this before, but I've been looking for kind of like a something that would give me volume, and I haven't really found anything at the drugstore anywhere. And then I saw this, it's a volume hairspray, so I was like, oh, it could work, like keep my hair, you know, in place and then give me volume too. So this is like $3.74. So, and I love the brand Aussie, so I figured it would be good. But yeah, this is everything that I got at Tjmaxx and Marshall's. Sad because I didn't get any makeup, I know, but they just didn't have anything that wasn't either swatched or wasn't something that I already had. So I didn't get any of that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you guys tune in because I'll be doing this again sometime soon. So I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Socks. Do you approve? Do you approve of my purchases? Do you approve?
She says yes.